Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you how to replace windshield wiper cowl cover. This is a 2019 Nissan Kicks and it will be the same for all the models from 2016 to 2020 models. Over time, these plastic will get brittle and breaks down like this, so it's time to replace it with a new one. If you are new here and owning this car, I have so many videos on this car where I replaced the engine oil, cleaned fuel injectors and PCV valve and many more. Some of you requested how to replace this plastic trim. I will show you how to replace it and where to get it. So here I got a pair of windshield wiper cowl cover. One will be for the passenger side and one for the driver side. You can see by the label here. Alright, this one will be for the driver side. You can know that by the letter L. And this one will be for the passenger side. The installation is very easy. We're just gonna pull this one and put the new one on. There are no additional tabs or screw on it, so we're just gonna pull it from this side and it's already out. And there's another tab here. These two tabs were holding it pretty tight, especially this one already was out and the other one was just sliding in. Alright, let's take the new one for the driver's side and put it on. Alright, before putting the new one on, I'm gonna clean it with glass cleaner and then put it on. Alright, with the new one, we're gonna put this tab under the fender and these two will be sliding in. And then you can twist that to put that under this plastic trim. Okay, this is how it's sitting. It should be like this. We are done from this side. Let's go to the passenger side. Okay, this side also done. And that is how to replace old windshield cowl cover. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.